Yep, that's it. I think it's
Do you know how to
pressing.
get it off of there?
Alright guys, I don't know if you're hearing me clearly because I got a reefer truck next to me. And I got this truck right here running at idle. But I'm gonna attempt to change the cabin airbag. This one right here is leaking, so I got two. This one is good, but as you can see where the creases are right here, that's where the leak is coming from. So this one right here is holding up, but I'm gonna change both of them and keep this one as a spare. But this one definitely has to be changed. So I managed to borrow a bottle jack from inside the Loves from one of the employees. She was nice enough to lend it to me. But I don't know where I'm gonna fit it because it's upright. I need the one that goes sideways, you know? This one is upright, but I'm gonna have to make it work. So I just have to put it somewhere firm enough. Put it somewhere firm enough to jack it up. Alright, it's going up. So in order to change the bag, you have to raise the cab up. Raise the cab up. Like right there. See, now it's deflated, right? Because now it extends too much. The leveling valve picks up that the cab is raised above its level. So no air is going through it right now. So I'm gonna turn the truck off right now because it's running. I have to keep the truck running to keep the bags up. So right now what's holding it is the jack. Alright, so that's what I want right now. So the tool that I'm using is a flat point screwdriver. So I think I gotta take it off from up here first. Yeah, take it up from here first. Alright. So the top part is out. Hope you guys are seeing that. The top part is already out. And this is the bottom part now where the airline connects. So I gotta release this airline. So this one also has its own bottom piece. So I just gotta release the airline there that connects to it. I gotta just push on it maybe. Hold on. Man, just push on it like that. I don't want to pull it too much and break it, but I gotta push on it though, and then pull it. Push and pull. There you go. So that's how it comes off. So that's the bad one. So when you put it on the new one now, take out this. I don't need this. This is the bottom piece, and this is the top piece that locks in. So, all right, the hole is right there. There's a hole right there for the top. So I'm gonna put the top first. Yeah, so I just gotta push it in real good. Got these clips on here. These are what holds it in place when it goes in. I just gotta push it in. Alright, let's see. I need better leverage. Turn it this way. This way, yeah. This way. Alright, it's in. Good. Bueno, bueno. Alright. So now I gotta do the bottom piece now. Oh, you can turn. All right. I want it to face like this. Yeah. Continental. You're getting a free promo. All right. So the bottom piece, bend it to put the bottom piece in now. Pretty much. Oh, let me connect the airline first. No, I do it under. So the bottom piece, you just bend it and it goes in like that. All right. Then next thing I got to do is just connect the airline underneath. So the airline is this line. Just got to connect it underneath and just push on it till it clicks. Alright, it's in there. Alright, I felt it click, so I'm just gonna do a tug test to make sure it sits. Alright, so it's locked in. So that one is locked in. Alright, let's do the next one. They're pretty easy to change. The only trick to it, you just have to get something that raises the cab up, so that way you can get to it. So this one, you just use the flat screwdriver, push down, comes out, right? And then just yank it out from the bottom, and then this airline. So, oh damn! Woo! Hopefully, okay, it's good. I thought the airline cut. All right, so just push on it. See if I can show you guys real good. So you just push on it and pull. Push the screwdriver at the tip of it and then pull it. All right, that's how it comes off. So now the new bag, same thing. Same thing with the new bag. So the reason why I'm changing this one, I'm just because they're new. This one is new, I just gonna change as spare, you know, and then just keep that one as a spare because that one is good. Oh, I slipped out. All right, so push it in. You just look for the hole, align it with the hole, and then push up into it. Push. There you go. It's in. It's in, baby. And then to get the bottom piece in, just pretty much just do it from the inside and work your way out. Work your way out from the inside out. There you go. It's locked. It's in. Now I got to just connect the airline at the bottom. So I'm gonna go from underneath and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's easier to do it from underneath. So you just push it into the hole. Push the hose into the hole and you're gonna hear it locks. You're gonna feel it lock when you push it in. Yep. Then you do a tug test to make sure it's locked in. So next side, tug test. All right. All right. I gotta test it. So I'm gonna keep the cabin raised and then start the truck. So I'm not gonna let the jack down. I'm gonna keep the cabin raised, start the truck. All right, so I'm gonna slowly release the jack. The truck is charged right now with air, so I'm gonna slowly release the jack. All right, so you see, there you go, that's normal. See, it's raising up. guess these ones are too tall. Flush now, it's fully inflated. I guess the writing should be face inward because I turned it around, and from I did that, it flushed, it inflated to the max. So that's how it should look. So I'm gonna let the truck, no, I'm gonna jack it up. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna jack it up and see what it does. So I'm gonna jack it up to release the air. Because the higher you bring it up, the leveling valve is gonna release the air from the bags. So I'm gonna jack it up and see if it returns back to the state that it's in right now. So I'm gonna test it. So the higher it goes, the air starts to evaporate, and then it's gonna get soft. Alright, so it's soft right now. Extend it up. So I guess, so the writing should face inward. I guess that's what it was. So I face the writing inwards. Alright, so it's working. Alright guys, so we made it to the end of the video. I want to say guys, thank you for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stick and stay for the next one. I'm out.